Morning guys, or good afternoon rather, kasi afternoon na. So, nag-purchase tayo ng play trap. So, nag-purchase kami ng 3 box nito. Each box meron siyang 2 traps and 8 refills. So, nag-open na ako ng isa pa. Then, there is a procedure, so easy to use, step by step. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this one is the trap thing. So, lalagay natin siya dito sa bottom. Then, meron siyang side dito na dyan siya nakalagay. Then, ito yung bulb. Ilalagay natin yung bulb. I guess it's 30 bucks, 1 box for this. 30 something yung isang box nito. Kasi may play pa rin yung aming pusa. Although 2 weeks pa lang naman yung weeks or days na nilagyan namin siya ng gamot. So, yun. Then, so ito yung ilalagay natin dito sa unahan. So, we will put like this. Like this one. Okay. So, ilalagay natin yung bulb. Hindi niyo pala kita, sorry. Ilalagay natin siya. Okay. So, ayan yung bulb. So, try natin para makita niyo how it really looks like. Then, meron naman siyang iipit yung wire dito. Ayan. So, nakaganon siya. Meron siyang ipit din na wire. Tapos i-assemble natin siya towards this one. So, okay. Towards with this. Oh. Yeah. Parang medyo mahirap to. Wait lang. So, kailangan natin siyang isok dito. Okay, so, ganito siya. So, ganito yung magiging outcome niya. So, i-remove lang natin yung sticker. Kasi dito ma-stick yung flea. Dito sila magiging ma-attract sila dito sa lights. Hopefully, it will work for us. So, that's it. So, meron tayong 6 na ganito. Ilalagay natin sa rooms and dito sa salas and sa kitchen. So, thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Bye. Like and subscribe. I'll take an update if there's something we can cut off. Bye.